Hello everyone, so if you are tired of spam calls and unwanted calls on your Android phone, so here's how to block them and get rid of them forever. So first of all, open up your phone application. Now let's tap on the three dots at the top right corner and let's press on our settings. So in our settings menu, let's find our caller ID in spam and tap on it. So first of all, let's activate the option See Caller and Spam ID. This will help us to identify business or spam numbers. Let's activate it. Also, you can activate Filter Spam Calls option, which prevents suspended spam calls from disturbing you. I really recommend you to activate it as well. All right, at the second step, let's go back to our menu and let's press Blocked Numbers. First of all, I highly recommend you to enable block calls from identified callers option, because sometimes if your phone is in the database of spammers and scammers already, sometimes it's just too easier to block them off completely and just to wait until this storm of calls will end. Also, if you have some specific numbers which are always calling you and disturbing you, simply press Add a Number. Now enter the spammer's call number, right? I'm just entering some random number, enter a legit one, press block, and basically that's it. If you made a mistake or you choose the wrong number, simply press on the cross icon near it, press unblock, it's unblocked. Easy as that. And basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.